How to delete your IQ option account in easy, fast way. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your IQ option account in fast way. First thing we do, we go to IQ option and then click on those three lines here in the top corner, and after that click on your profile, and now go down and you will find deletion of account and personal data. You can just click on it like this and click confirm, and your account will be deleted in easy, fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.